Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today, excited tayo kasi andito tayo ngayon sa pinakabagong Honor store dito sa Fairview Terraces Mall. Dito lang din yan sa Quezon City. At syempre, isi-share ko sa inyo ang latest price list update ng mga Honor smartphones at tablets national. So buong Pilipinas po applicable yung maririnig or makikita ninyong mga presyo or promo nitong mga smartphone and tablets ng Honor. So perfect itong video na to kung nagbabala kayo bumili ng bagong smartphone or tablet. Kaya make sure to watch until the end para malaman nyo kung alin ang swak sa budget at needs nyo. Alright, unahin na natin guys ang Honor 400 for only 22,999. Sobrang dami mo nang makukuha na sulit na features. Isa na syempre dyan sa pinagmamalaki nila is the 200 megapixel AI ultra clear camera. So meaning kahit na mag-take ka ng photo, low light or zoom shots, crystal clear pa rin yung mga photos mo. Perfecto if ever na more on travel ka, vlogs or kahit na everyday memories, diba? And hindi lang yon. Isa rin sa pinagmamalaki ng Honor 400 is that meron na tong 12 GB of RAM plus additional 12 GB virtual RAM. So it means total of 24 GB na performance ng RAM ang pwede mong ma-enjoy sa smartphone na to. Kaya kahit na heavy multitasking, smooth ang performance, wala nang kahit na anong lag, kahit sabay-sabay ka pang mag-open ng mga applications. Plus, 512 GB na yung pinaka-internal storage nito, kaya naman goodbye na sa storage pool problem, di ba? Ang dami mo nang pwedeng i-save ng mga photos, videos, games, or even files. And syempre, meron itong 6,000 mAh silicon carbon battery na super reliable. Yan talagang pinagmamalaki ng Honor, no? Yung type of the battery na ginagamit nila. Kaya kahit na whole day ka na naka-social media, gaming, or gamitin mo man siya pang work, hindi ka iiwan ng smartphone na to, I think. Bonus pa dyan, syempre, in terms of the durability, is meron na tong IP66 water and dust resistant. So it means that protected ka na from accidental splashes or example, biglaan kang naabutan ng ulan. So imagine guys, the Honor 400 is 22,999 pesos. Sulit na sulit ang Honor 400. Kaya kung gusto mo ng powerful, reliable, and medyo, alam mo yun, pang long term na rin na smartphone, well, I think one of the best na itong Honor 400. Kaya hindi ako magtataka kung bakit isa ito sa mga bestseller nila. Next naman guys is meron silang Honor 400 Pro version naman. So, mas mataas ng konti ito. For only 32,999 pesos naman, sobrang sulit na features na usually pang flagship level na talaga makikita ang meron dito. So, isa sa pinagmamalaki nila dyan, number 1 is the 200 megapixel main camera plus additional 50 megapixel telephoto camera plus AI ultra clear camera. Perfect for capturing every detail na to, from super sharp, close-up shot, hanggang sa mapa-wide or cinematic shot man yan. Imagine that, parang may professional camera ka na laging on the go. And hindi lang yon, powered na rin to ng Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. So ibig sabihin lang nun, mabilis, efficient, at kaya na yung mga heavy gaming or even yung mga multitasking nang walang lag, di ba? Kung power user ka, I think swak na swak ang Honor 400 Pro. With, hindi lang yon, 12 GB RAM plus additional again na 12 virtual RAM. So, 24 GB of RAM na naman ang ipaparamdam sa'yo sa performance nito. So, yung multitasking talagang feels, alam mo yun, talagang silky smooth yung performance. Add pa dyan, syempre, kagaya ng Honor 400, 512 GB na rin yung pinaka-storage nito. Kaya kahit sobrang dami mong application, videos, or even yung mga 4K photos pa yan, so hindi ka basta-basta mauubusan ng space. At syempre, meron na rin tong 6,000 mAh silicon carbon battery. At hindi lang yon, nating worry ka in terms of charging kasi supported na to ng 100 watts fast charging technology nila. Isang mabilis lang na charge, alam mo yon, pwede mo nang magamit in a whole day yung device. So no more waiting ng matagal in terms of charging. And of course, durability on another level. Ang Honor 400 Pro, meron siyang pinagmamalaking IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance. So, again, protected ka na kahit sa ulan, splashes, or dusty environments. Diba? So, perfect for active lifestyle at mga may hilig mag-adventure dyan. So, again, for only 32,999 pesos, the Honor 400 Pro gives you a pro-level camera, flagship performance, long-lasting battery, at matibay na protection syempre. So, itong smartphone na to, I think sulit na sulit for everyday power users. O ito naman, meron silang isa pang bagong labas or I think papalabas pa lang sabi. So, hindi pa siya, basically hindi pa siya available now. So next up is the Honor Magic 7 Pro. Well, sabi nga nila, this is the ultimate flagship experience for only, imagine kung magkano to guys, 59,999 pesos naman. So ito, meron na tong 12 gig RAM plus again, additional virtual RAM niya na 12 gig. So total of 24 gig performance yung ipaparamdam sa'yo dito. And 512 gig storage. Kaya again, kahit na gano'ng karaming application, photos, videos, walang lag at wala kang isipin syempre in terms of space problem. So perfect to again for gamers, content creators, at sa mga heavy users dyan. So, ang Honor Magic 7 Pro equipped with an AI Honor Falcon camera system technology daw. Meron tong 200 megapixel telephoto lens plus 50 megapixel main camera plus meron pa tong additional 50 megapixel para sa ultra wide camera nila. So, ibig sabihin lang nito in terms of pro level shots, anytime, anywhere, pwede mo nang magawa dito. So, yung mga breathtaking landscape hanggang sa mga zoom details. So, alam mo yun, para talagang may dala ka ng DSLR pagdating dito sa Honor Magic 7 Pro sabi nila. Kung battery naman ang pag-uusapan, wag mo nang problemahin yan kasi ang Honor Magic 7 Pro, meron na siyang 5,850 mAh. Ang sabi ng Honor dito, ang ginamit na battery is the 3rd generation silicon carbon battery. So, yun ang pinagmamalaki nila dito sa smartphone na to. Plus, 100 watts in terms of fast charging, through wired yun. Tapos, ang malupit din dito is capable na rin siya for the wireless charging with an 80 watts naman. So, ibig sabihin, mapa-wireless or mapa-wired, mabilis pong mag-charge itong smartphone na to. So, if ever na talagang na-drain ka, mabilis ka makakabalik makapag-online. So, isang charge lang, good na for the whole day. Perfect ng smartphone na to, I think, for productivity or entertainment. And kung ang pag-uusapan naman is the performance. So, equipped to ng Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 3 nanometer processor. So, it means that kung talagang pang flagship level performance na yung hanap mo, itong smartphone na to yung maisasuggest ko. So, kung mga gusto mo ultra smooth in terms of gaming, faster loading, or efficient in terms of power use, ito na to, si Honor Magic 7 Pro na talaga. At syempre, may mga features na rin to like yung mga Smart AI experience with AI deepfake protection na pinagmamalaki ng Honor. So, hindi lang yon, 'di ba? Ang advantage din ng AI deepfake protection is that may peace of mind ka na secured yung identity and personal data mo sa mga online. Alright? So, ayun. Kung gusto mo ng all-in-one, powerful, secure, camera beast, I think ito, si Honor Magic 7 Pro for only 59,999 pesos. At ito na guys, ang ganda ng ating price update kasi naabutan na natin na naka-display na rin yung foldable smartphone ng Honor. So ang sabi nila, this is the thinnest foldable phone, the Honor Magic B5. So official na siyang available ngayon sa Philippines for only 89,999 pesos. Yup, wala pa pong 100,000 yung foldable phone ng Honor. So hindi siya kagaya ng ibang brand na umabot na ng 100,000. So, design and build, ayun, so sobrang slim niya, just 8.8mm daw kapag nakasara. Kaya nung hinawakan ko siya kapag naka-fold, parang gumagamit ka lang ng regular na smartphone. So, in terms of the look, premium, lightweight feel, I think this is smartphone na foldable, perfect for daily companion. Battery and performance, meron itong 5,820 mAh. So, naka-silicon carbon battery na rin to. Kaya all day heavy use, wala kang worries. Powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite up to 16 GB RAM. And ang malupit dito, 1TB po yung pinaka-storage ng Honor Magic B5. So, gaming, multitasking, productivity, well, I think talagang smooth na smooth para sa foldable smartphone na to ng Honor. Even sa display and the camera, hindi magpapatalo tong foldable smartphone na to ng Honor kasi naka-dual AMOLED screen na siya with 120Hz refresh rate at hanggang 5,000 nits peak brightness. Kaya sobrang linaw nito if ever nagagamitin mo kahit outdoor man. At syempre, in terms of the camera, ang sabi ng Honor dito, ang pinagmamalaki nilang Falcon camera system with 50 megapixel main camera and additional 50 megapixel for the ultra-wide camera at isang 64 megapixel for the periscope telephoto para daw po if ever na magtitake ka ng mga pro level shots talagang kayang-kaya bong makuha dito kay Honor Magic B5. In terms of the durability, since ito nga ay foldable, so tested daw po ito for 500,000 volts at may IP58 and IP59 dust and water resistance. Kaya in terms of durability, sabi nila talagang matibay and pangmatagalan. By the way guys, one of the good news kasi nung nag-check tayo ng pricing dito, currently naka-pre-order tong Magic B5 nila. So starting September 6 to September 12, tapos ang malupit doon, kapag yung pre-order mo na yon is kinuha mo sa September 13, 2025, makakakuha ka ng free Honor Pad X8. Yup, imagine, isang foldable powerhouse phone plus isang tablet for free. I think talagang super sulit na talaga yung offer na to ni Honor sa foldable smartphone nila. Kaya ano pang hinahintay nyo? I think don't miss this, the Honor Magic B5 for only 89,999 pesos plus a free Honor Pad X8. So imagine, 'di ba? Ang laking advantage nito pagdating sa pre-order. So, I think this is the ultimate upgrade you deserve. Baka isipin ninyo, masyadong matataas na yung mga price ng Honor. Diyan kayo nagkakamali kasi meron din silang mga budget-friendly smartphone. So, natsambahan nga natin, may bago silang inilabas, yung Honor X6C. So, for only 6,999 pesos, perfect pong budget-friendly, pero full of features yung hanap mo. So, itong smartphone na to, meron na to yung mga AI button, so one step into AI. So, alam mo yon, may mga instant smart assistants para mas madali na yung mga daily task mo. From like, quick camera enhancement hanggang productivity shortcuts, tap lang and done. Camera, hindi magpapatalo to sa halagang 6,999 pesos. Imagine that meron na tong 50 megapixel main camera plus meron na tong AI eraser. So perfect for clean and professional looking shots anytime. Kaya kahit na may mga unwanted background, easy lang yung pag-edit. Sa performance naman, well, I think sapat na para sa price niya ang 6GB RAM plus meron pa tong additional 6GB virtual RAM. So it means nasa 12GB yung performance ng RAM na ipapa-experience sa'yo nitong smartphone na to. At hindi lang yon, internal storage nito meron ng 256GB. Kaya naman if ever na mahilig ka mag-download or mag-store na maraming photos, well, I think enough na po. Kasi sa ibang brand, sa ganitong pricing, mga nasa 128 pa lang. Kung battery naman ang pag-uusapan, hindi rin po ito tinipid ng Honor kasi meron na itong 5,300 mAh battery capacity plus mabilis na rin po itong mag-charge with a 35 watts Honor Supercharge technology na meron sa kanya. So isang mabilis lang na charge, good for the whole day mo na magagamit itong budget-friendly nila na smartphone. At baka mamaya nag-aalala ka kasi medyo mura, ano. So nothing to worry kasi itong smartphone na to ni Honor, may pinagmamalaki sila dito, yung tinatawag na SGS 5-star certification. So meaning in terms of quality, reliability at safety, well guaranteed po sa smartphone na to. So perfect to for everyday use and syempre sabi nga nila may peace of mind ka dito sa budget-friendly smartphone nila. So in just 6,999 pesos, ang Honor X6C gives you a smart features, clean camera shots, and reliable performance, and at the same time, long-lasting battery. Sunod na natin agad yung Honor X7C for only 8,999 pesos naman. I think dito, sabi nga ng Honor, sobrang sulit na kasi in terms of durable, reliable, and high performance, itong isa sa mga budget smartphone nila, nandun na daw po lahat yun. So, washable, water resistance, plus 360 anti-drop resistance, meron daw po dito kay Honor X7C for only 8,999 pesos. So, meaning, safe ka na sa mga accidental splashes, ulan, o kahit na bitawan mo man daw sa lamesa. Perfect daw po itong smartphone na to for active lifestyle at everyday adventures. So, meron tong 6,000 mAh durable battery, kaya kahit na buong araw ka daw online, gaming, streaming, walang worry ka na basta-basta ka lang agad malulobat. In terms of multitasking, well, kaya na rin daw po dito with a 8GB RAM plus additional 8GB virtual RAM at malaking 256GB internal storage yung pinagmamalaki nila dito. So, kahit na marami ka daw apps, photos, videos, nothing to worry ka kasi hindi daw po ito basta-basta maglalag kahit na medyo heavy usage ka dun sa mga nabanggit. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 685, kaya fast and reliable na rin ang performance ito. So smooth for browsing and gaming at social media experience. On the go daw talaga itong smartphone na to. So again, for only 8,999 pesos, ang Honor X7C gives you durable, long-lasting battery, smooth performance at malaking storage. So all-in-one budget-friendly package daw po itong smartphone na to. At guys, so available pa rin kay Honor yung Honor X9C 5G for only 16,999 pesos. So isa to sa mga nag-bestseller nila na smartphone. So ano nga ba ang mga naging reason bakit naging bestseller to? Una, syempre yung pinagmamalaki nila yung all-angle triple defense technology nila wherein mapadrop, water, or heat resistance daw. Kaya mas kampante kang gamitin tong smartphone na to kahit na mabitawan, mabasa sa ulan, o mainitan, mas protected yung phone mo pagdating sa technology na meron to. So, ito yung madalas na ibato nila or ilaglag nila na smartphone before. Plus, meron itong 360 TOF, 1.5 AMOLED curved screen. Not only super durable daw, sabi ng Honor, pero in terms of viewing experience, ay talagang immersive and premium looking. Perfect daw tong smartphone na to for Netflix, gaming, and social media. Sa battery naman, meron tong 6,600 mAh durable battery plus 66 watts Honor Supercharge, meaning isang charge mo lang, again, good for all day use na daw tong smartphone na to. So mabilis mag-charge and goodbye daw sa matagal mag-antay na charging. And kung camera, panalo to guys. Meron tong 108 megapixel OIS Honor AI camera na pwede ka nang mag-capture or makakuha ng mga stable, sharp at high quality shots. Perfect for vlogs, travel at content creation. Tapos meron na rin tong 12 GB RAM plus additional 12 GB virtual RAM. So total of 24 GB na RAM performance yung ipapa-experience sa'yo. Plus 256 GB storage. Kaya smooth in terms of multitasking at ang dami mong pwedeng ilagay ng mga application, games or mga media. So walang lag, walang storage stress daw na mararanasan kayo kay Honor X9C. So, powered na rin to ng Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1, ready for 5G technology niya, kaya smooth ang gaming, browsing, and streaming experience mo kahit na on the go pa yan. So, for only 16,999 pesos, ang Honor X9C 5G is perfect kung hanap mo ay durability, premium screen, reliable camera at solid performance. Lahat lang yan at the price na sulit pa rin daw para sa Honor X9C 5G. Naman punta tayo sa tablet or sa mga pad ng Honor. So unahin na natin yung Honor Pad X8A. So for only 8,999 pesos with case cover ha. Pero kung gusto mo naman yung medyo mas mura, 7,999 pesos naman without case cover naman yan. So perfect kung ang hanap mo na tablet is powerful, stylish at budget friendly. So meron na tong 8,800 mAh battery capacity. So meron na tong eye protector Honor full view display plus ang malupit doon 90Hz high refresh rate na rin siya. So smooth na to for scrolling and syempre less strain na rin daw sa pagdating sa mga mata natin. Large amplitude quad speaker. So maganda to if ever na nagbo-movie marathon ka like Netflix, something like that. Perfect on tablet na to. So smooth yung performance niya kasi 4 GB RAM na siya plus may additional pang virtual RAM na 4 GB din plus 128 GB internal storage. So yung processor na inilagay dito ni Honor is the Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core processor plus Magic OS 8.0 na rin siya, meaning mabilis, efficient, optimized for daily use. Perfect tong tablet na to for student, professional or kahit na mga casual user pa man daw yan. So kung ang hanap mo daw na tablet is reliable, battery smooth, display, malakas ang speaker at pwede mga multitasking. So ito, perfect tong budget friendly nila na Honor Pad X8A. Pwede mo rin guys dagdagan ng konti yung budget nyo. For 11,999 pesos naman, meron ka ng Honor Pad X9. So maganda tong tablet na to kasi sabi nga ni Honor is fast and smooth and versatile. So meron tong 5 megapixel main camera plus additional 5 megapixel for the front camera naman. Ang display nito is 11.5 inches screen. So 120Hz na yung pinaka-refresh rate. So maganda to pang scrolling, sharp visual, immersive viewing experience for gaming or something like browsing or movie marathon, perfect na rin to. So meron tong Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 plus naka Magic OS 7.1 based on Android 13. So maganda yung pinaka-interface niya, no? So 4GB RAM plus Honor RAM Turbo. Meron tong technology na ganun. Tapos 128GB internal storage. And ang malupit doon, pwede mo tong lagyan ng SD card for up to 1TB. And for the battery naman, 7,200 mAh with 22.5 watts Honor Supercharge. So meaning long-lasting usage and mabilis yung charging niya. Perfecto for study, work, or yung mga binge watching kung tawagin. So again, 11,999 pesos ang Honor Pad X9 5G. So it gives you a smooth performance, sabi ni Honor, large high refresh rate display, reliable battery at expandable storage. May isang version din guys, yung Honor Pad X9, which is yung Honor Pad X9A naman. So ito, 11,999 pesos din. Ang maganda dito, may mga AI powered technology na siya, high performance tablet, sabi nga ni Honor. So AI tablet features, meaning may mga smart assistants na rin to na pwede mong magamit para mapadali yung mga task mo, optimize to for productivity, study, and entertainment. So display, 11.5 inches with 2.5K in terms of full view display and 120Hz refresh rate. So maganda to for more on visual ka, movies or games. So performance, nothing to worry, 6GB RAM plus may additional ka pa again na 6GB virtual RAM plus 128GB yung pinaka-internal niya. And malupit doon, mataas yung battery nito with the 8,300 mAh battery capacity plus 35 watts Honor Supercharge. So kahit na buong araw kang naka-work or naka-study, streaming, so nothing to worry kasi mabilis pa rin i-charge itong tablet na to. So Snapdragon 685 yung pinaka processor niya plus naka Magic OS 9.0 na to. Ibig sabihin, fast, reliable, and optimize yung pinaka-performance in terms of multitasking, gaming, or opening ng mga application. So again, 11,999 pesos yung Honor Pad X9A with an smart AI features na large high-resolution display, smooth performance, and long-lasting battery, sabi ng Honor. At kung gusto mo ng pangmalakasan na tablet ng Honor, ito na, punta ka na kay Honor Pad 10. So ito, for only 15,999, so ito yung walang keyboard na kasama, and 17,999 pesos naman may kasama ng keyboard. So itong tablet na to, sabi nga ng Honor, versatile, powerful, at ideal talaga for work or entertainment. So meron tong 12.1 inches display with 2.5K na resolution plus 120Hz refresh rate. Ibig sabihin, super sharp, visual, scrolling, given na talaga dito. Perfect for movie marathon, gaming, or even work task. So, equipped to ng Snapdragon 7 Generation 3, fast, reliable, and optimized for smooth performance and heavy usage. May mga AI-powered productivity features na rito, perfect sa work, math calculation, study tasks, smart assistants. So, magagamit mo siya for your daily workflow. So, ang speaker nito is anim with Honor Special Audio Technology. So, pwede mo na ma-experience dito yung immersive sound quality for movies, music, or gaming. Parang alam mo yon, meron ka na kagad mini chatter kahit na tablet lang itself yung gamit mo. So, bukod doon, in terms of battery, 10,100 mAh battery capacity. So, kahit na isang buong araw ka, I think, mag-stream, study, or work gamit to, hindi siya basta-basta malolobat. So, again, 15,999 pesos po without keyboard and 17,999 pesos naman with keyboard na ang Honor Pad 10. Ayun, kung gusto mo ng pangmalakasang tablet, ito na po ang pinaka-top of the line ni Honor. That's it for our price update ng Honor tablet and smartphone dito sa pinakabagong Honor store. Dito matatagpuan lang sa Fairview Terraces, Quezon City, in front of SM City Fairview lang po ito. So visit nyo to guys. So yun lang naman for this video. Thank you so much. Sana nagustuhan nyo. So don't forget to like, comment, and kung may mga suggestions kayo, comment nyo lang dyan below. Thank you!